who is the best person to see for a hormone imbalance? Fatigue, unexpected weight shifts, or mood swings might be your body's way of saying your hormones are in need of help. Hi, I'm Dr. Will Haas, the innovator behind VYVE Wellness, and your guide through the exciting world of integrative and cellular medicine. Get ready to understand hormonal imbalances. At VYVE, we're not just about addressing symptoms, we're about diving deep into your unique hormonal landscape to craft a journey back to balance tailored just for you. Imagine starting with an in-depth conversation where every question leads us closer to understanding you. Then, picture in-depth lab testing, where detailed biochemistry reveals the map of your hormonal health, guiding us to your personalized treatment plan. But here's where we truly stand apart: our devotion to an integrative medicine approach. Unlike conventional paths, we at VYVE blend the best of both worlds, using bioidentical hormones derived from natural sources. These aren't just any hormones. They're the ones that mimic your body's, ensuring a synergy that's both effective and gentle, minimizing side effects while maximizing well-being. Why settle for a one-size-fits-all solution? Integrative medicine views you as a whole, intertwined body, mind, and spirit to treat and transform your health. As we journey together, our goal is to not only alleviate the distressing symptoms of hormonal imbalances, but to elevate your entire being, sparking a vitality that radiates from the inside out. This is about more than just feeling better, it's about thriving. So, if you're ready to listen to what your body is communicating and move beyond the mere symptom relief into a state of true health and happiness, VYVE is here. Let's embrace this journey together, gently guiding you towards a balance that lights up your life. Tired of hitting roadblocks in your weight loss journey? Join us in our upcoming video, where we explore factors that can influence your weight loss and learn tips on how to achieve your fitness goals. Share your thoughts in the comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.